If you're browsing through the Starts website, you might be wondering what's the difference between the merch maker and our MAXX Clam. In this video, we're gonna tell you. The truth is, both heat presses are capable of producing accurately applied heat transfers. And they both share the same warranty conditions with 1 year on the framework and a lifetime warranty on your heating element. The difference is that the heat presses are designed for different types of heat printers. Our MAXX Clam comes in 3 different sizes. This one is the 38x38, which we are comparing today to our 38x38 merch maker. The first difference between both heat presses is the price. The merch maker is designed for beginners, crafters and hobbyists. It delivers great results without a large upfront investment. Our MAXX Clam, on the other hand, creates an entry for the professional heat printing market. It's a premium machine which is built to grow with your business, and the price reflects the higher level of durability. Another difference is the lower platen. The merch maker has a draw-out platen, and our MAXX Clam has a quick change system, meaning you can just swap out the lower platens with different ones. This allows you to print unique and high-value products like shoes. Threadability is another feature that sets those 2 heat presses apart. With the optional caddy stand, the MAXX Clam becomes fully threadable. This allows sleeves or bulky areas to fall off the platen, so you have an isolated printing area. While the merch maker is not fully threadable, it does offer a draw-out lower platen. This allows you to load your garment easily and also ensures a heat-free workspace. And finally, the build quality of both heat presses are different. The merch maker offers impressive construction for its price point, so it's a great machine to get started with. The MAXX Clam is built with strong, reliable steel and is designed for years of consistent use. It's a machine that is designed to grow alongside your business, giving you a professional solution as your business needs increase. While both presses produce excellent garments, the choice comes down to where you are in your journey. If you're just starting out and you want an affordable and capable machine, then a merch maker is a fantastic solution for you. If you're looking for a professional, flexible heat press, the MAXX Clam is built to take you there. You find both heat presses on starts.co.uk today.